gonna show you that how to get a fingerprint locker for any Android phones, but you do not get fingerprint lock on your Android phone. Just you can get in Redmi and Coolpad Note. First you should go to your Play Store and search Ice Unlock. I am given in the description. You can just go through it. Then I installed in my UC browser one. So I'm gonna just install it from the file manager. You can also download from your UC browser, but Play Store is the easy one. I don't have sufficient place to download, that's why I download from UC browser. It's just installing buffer. Then it will come. Then you should tap on I have read and understood and accept the above license agreements and press on let's go. And some error. I'm just then you give continue. Then you can give any pin code. I'm giving then you should go and continue enroll. Do you want which finger and which hand? You can select that one. Then I want right index finger. Then I am just my right index. Then you should do 7 times to enroll that one. Just 7 times you should do. Down it you should do correctly. Then only it will come. It should come green. Oh my god. This one should come perfect. Then match confirmed. Then you use this fingerprint. Do not give start over. Use this fingerprint. Then you should do and you give always. Then that's it. And subscribe my channel and share the channel if you like. Then like this channel. Bye bye.